The other thing is what Susan and I use a lot is sage and Palo Santo. So this is my sage. I use um, a shell
Mhm.
because it's non-flammable and it represents the water. So you're getting the vibration of the shell and you're getting the vibration of the water. And you can buy these at any metaphysical store. And then I use this is a piece of sage, and I'm going to just light it.
Safely.
Yeah, safely. I've been doing this a very long time.
Mhm.
And blow it out. And you're going to use this. And Susan, if you have, I left my feather at home, so I will go into the space.
Mhm. And I hold the abalone shell underneath when
Yep,
I'm in that space, just
yep,
to
just
ease
to
that
catch
time.
the
Mhm.
things.
Yep.
And I go counterclockwise. I open a window and I go counterclockwise.
Mhm.
And you can say affirmations. I am clearing the space. I'm clearing and cleaning the space, just like I use with the water. But the sage is going to do its work. And the benefits of sage, there's many benefits of sage. One, it's been used for centuries. So
Yeah.
let me go back. And I go into, especially go into the corners of the house,
Mhm.
because what happens, I'm going to set that down. You're going to just see my smoke because I love the smell of sage. What
Mhm.
happens is the energy of the room kind of goes to the corners. The
Mhm.
stagnant energy kind of goes to the corners because there's not a whole lot of movement. And the sage will help clear that energy. You
Mhm.
want to keep a door to the outside or a window to the outside that allows the smoke to escape
Mhm.
and it
Mhm.
allows the energy. And it's going to create a sense of peace and calm. You're just going to, the energy after you've saged is going to feel very different.
Mhm.
You just want to you want to make sure it's in a non-flammable container
Yes.
and move in a counterclockwise direction.
Mhm.
And that's really it. Focus around the door jambs, focus around the window jambs and the corners of the room.
And
And
the
anything.
vents anywhere that has a outlet, inlet outlet.
Yep. Yep. And any object you can hover the sage over. Maybe I should have saged the bowl. Didn't think about it then. Didn't think about it
I've
then.
never done that myself either, but
Well,
it
and
just
you
seems like
can.
it comes with a high vibration. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry, I thought you were talking about your abalone bowl, but you're talking
Oh,
about the
no,
bowl.
no, no. Oh, sorry. No, 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 the wooden bowl. And,
Because you
maybe I
can
should have done that, and I might have been able to
objects.
keep it.
That's true. That's true.
And, yeah, and I do this for any of my in-person classes. I will sage a person. I just have them hold their arms out to their sides and sage the front, sage their whole body underneath their feet, and then I have them turn around on top of their head, and I have them turn around so they're not bringing anything that's icky into the space.
Yeah.
And after every class I teach, I also sage my space. Just
Mhm.
because what we do, what we teach is very emotional. And they can leave their emotions here. And I don't want that for my next clients who are going to come into the space or my next students who are going to come into my space.
For the sage and that you're burning, I mean,
Mhm.
it's doing a clearing, but it's also doing a purifying. And so
Yes.
it's really doing both steps in there, and that's the benefit of it. It kind of cleanses and purifies the space so it's ready
Mhm.
to ready to go.
Well, and I forgot to say that scientists have studied sage because it has been used for centuries. Sage will
Mhm.
actually clean the air, not just of energy, but it will clean the air, the particulates in the air. So
Mhm.
that's another benefit. If you have a lot of off gassing, sage will help clean that up. So, how cool is that?
That
The
is
other thing is Palo Santo. This is a sacred wood. It's also called holy wood. And
Mhm.
you do the same thing, same exact procedure. You burn it. I just ordered some off of Etsy. I just ordered some Palo Santo that where they've shaved it, which makes it easier to burn, because this
Mm,
is a hardwood, so it doesn't burn very easily. But you
mm,
also want to use a non-flammable container and do the same thing.
mm,
Doors, jambs, outlets, keep a window open or a door open, and, it just depends on what which one you prefer.